our second day in a row practicing walking. We're gonna walk and do a circle, walk, do a circle, and we're gonna keep doing this all the way over to the round pen. And yesterday he was pretty rusty on this, and I've already come this way and I feel like he's already done better so far. It's pretty muddy and slippery, but so we're just gonna go slow. There's no need to go fast on this. This is great for practicing leading, getting that forward movement from your donkey. Okay, so we're just gonna go in a circle. And I'm gonna ask him to go straight. You guys need to move out of my way. Walk.
That means you.
Walk. Okay, so we're gonna walk straight for a while. And then I'm gonna have him come in front of me. Remember, he's supposed to go wherever I aim the lead rope, right? Now we're gonna do a circle. And I'm gonna keep my belly button pointed towards his shoulder, making sure that I'm walking forward. Okay. Now we're gonna walk forward again. Walk. Now I'm gonna have him come over here. Now I can switch my hands, right? Now he can disengage and then clear the front. Now we can walk on this side. Walk. Okay, now we can do another circle again. Walk. Okay, so now I'm going to keep my belly button pointed towards his shoulder. Walk. You see how my lead is staying loose? Walk. So now we come over here and I can switch my hands and keep going, right? Now I can ask him to disengage. There he did it. And then clear the front. Walk. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is famous Shamus, the donkey it all started with.